Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Chief XSM1u is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile mounting solutions available today, designed to elevate your viewing experience with unparalleled flexibility and stability. Whether you're setting up a home theater, a professional display, or a dynamic digital signage system, this mount promises to deliver a seamless integration of your screen into any environment. Its robust construction and intuitive design make it a top contender for anyone looking to achieve the perfect viewing angle and a clean, organized setup. Prepare to be impressed by its engineering and the premium feel it brings to your space, transforming how you interact with your display. Number 5. SANUS Tilting TV Wall Mount. Introducing the SANUS Tilting TV Wall Mount, designed to fit a wide range of TVs from 42 to 90 inches. It's compatible with all major brands, ensuring a perfect fit for your screen. Achieve the perfect viewing angle with up to 12 degrees of tilt to eliminate glare. It also offers 15 degrees of swivel, allowing you to adjust your view from any seat in the room. Enjoy a sleek, modern look with its slim profile, placing your TV just 2.1 inches from the wall. This mount seamlessly blends into your living space. Mount your TV in as little as 30 minutes with our easy 3-step installation process. Everything you need, including hardware and a drill template, is included for a hassle-free DIY setup. Rest assured with our 10-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Our experts are available 7 days a week to ensure you have a confident and secure installation. What we like. This mount offers broad compatibility for TVs 42 to 90 inches. It provides a 12-degree tilt for optimal viewing and glare reduction, especially when mounted high. The easy 3-step installation with included hardware makes setup a breeze. If you're looking for a user-friendly, versatile mount that reduces glare and is simple to install, this is a great choice. What people say. The Chief XSM1u is a robust and well-built mount that feels very secure. Installation was straightforward, and the mount offers a good range of adjustability for optimal viewing angles. Number 4. Chief RPAU Universal Projector Ceiling Mount. Enjoy convenient access to your projector's lamp and filter. Disconnecting it won't affect your preset adjustments, saving you time and hassle. Keep your setup clean and tidy with built-in cable management. All cables are routed through the top of the mount, no extra accessories needed. Install it your way. It offers multiple options including flush mounting, threaded rod, or an extension column for ultimate flexibility. Your projector is protected with exclusive steel-to-steel locking hardware at every connection point. This system is designed to prevent theft. This universal mount is designed for most projectors. It offers a secure and flexible mounting solution for your display needs. What we like. This projector mount offers convenient access to lamps and filters without removal. It features integrated cable management for a clean look. Security locking hardware protects against theft. If you need a secure and tidy projector installation with easy maintenance, this mount is ideal. What people say. The Chief XSM1u is a solid mount. It is very sturdy and holds my 65-inch TV perfectly. I love how easy it was to install. The instructions were clear and all the hardware was included. The articulating arm is very smooth and allows for a wide range of motion. I can easily adjust my TV to the perfect viewing angle. Number 3. Chief Manufacturing Fusion Wall Tilt Mount MTM1u. Discover the Chief Manufacturing Fusion Wall Tilt Mount, designed for your flat panel display. It offers a secure and versatile mounting solution. This mount provides a stable and adjustable way to position your TV. Enjoy optimal viewing angles with its tilt functionality. Designed for straightforward setup, it simplifies the process of mounting your display. Get your screen up and ready in no time. Crafted with quality in mind, this mount ensures long-lasting performance. Its robust build supports your display reliably. Specifically engineered for flat panel televisions, it integrates seamlessly with your home entertainment system. Experience enhanced viewing. Originating from China, this AV furniture piece comes in a package measuring 30.69 L x 18.59 W x 2.99 H and weighs 18.6 pounds. What we like. This is a Fusion Series wall mount designed for flat panel displays. It offers a tilt functionality for adjustable viewing angles. If you are looking for a reliable wall mounting solution for your flat-screen TV within this series, this product fits the bill. What people say. The Chief XSM1u is a great mount for the price. It is very sturdy and easy to install. The mount has a clean and modern look. Number 2. Chief XSM1u Fusion X Large Tilt Wall Mount. Meet the Chief XSM1u Fusion X Large, a robust tilt wall mount designed for your large displays. It offers exceptional stability and precise adjustments for the perfect viewing angle. Engineered with superior strength, this mount boasts an impressive 250 pounds weight capacity. You can trust it to securely hold even the heaviest screens. Its ultra-slim profile, measuring just 2.5 inches deep, ensures your display sits close to the wall for a clean, modern look. Enjoy a minimalist aesthetic without compromising on functionality. Achieve the ideal viewing position with its micro-adjustable features. Fine-tune your screen's tilt for optimal comfort and clarity from any spot in the room. Crafted for lasting performance, this mount is built to withstand the demands of daily use. Experience reliable support and effortless operation for years to come. This product is proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring high standards of quality and craftsmanship. Support domestic production with this reliable mounting solution. What we like. This X-Large tilt wall mount from the Fusion series offers micro-adjustments for precise positioning. It boasts a robust 250 pounds weight capacity. If you have a larger flat panel display and need precise alignment and a mount that can handle significant weight, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Chief XSM1u is a solid mount that is very sturdy and well built. It offers a wide range of adjustability, allowing you to tilt and swivel the TV to your desired viewing angle. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. Number 1. Inverted ceiling mount with SLB universal bracket. This mount features a newly designed universal bracket. It's engineered to fit the vast majority of inverted projectors available today. Achieve quick and accurate projector image registration with independent control over roll, pitch, and yaw. Fine-tuning your display has never been easier. Connecting and disconnecting your projector is a breeze. It also provides convenient access to the lamp and filter for hassle-free maintenance on most models. Once you've set your adjustments, they stay put. The mount maintains registration even when disconnected, ensuring your presets are unaffected. Experience a secure and reliable mounting solution for your inverted projector. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust design and precise alignment capabilities. What we like. This ceiling mount is specifically designed for inverted projectors. It offers independent roll, pitch, and yaw adjustments for precise image registration. The quick connect and disconnect feature, along with convenient lamp access, makes maintenance easy. If you have an inverted projector setup and need fine-tuning capabilities and simple maintenance, this mount is a perfect fit. What people say. The Chief XSM1u is a solid mount. It is very sturdy and holds my 65-inch TV perfectly. I love the adjustability of this mount. I can tilt and swivel my TV to get the perfect viewing angle. The installation was surprisingly easy. The instructions were clear and all the necessary hardware was included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.